The, the element of blindness is sometimes considered by the Jews in many ways. Like in the Old Testament, if you see, it is considered as the punishment of disobedience. We find this in the book of the First Samuel. It's also seen as ignorance as of to the spiritual things, which we find in the prophet Isaiah. And the Jews are also charged to treat the blind person with compassion and care. In Leviticus, we find this. In today's gospel, we see the blind man is brought to Jesus by some of his friends, and it is through this, through their faith, that Jesus has pity on this blind man and heals him. And his healing is in stages. It's not like he heals him and he's healed. The blind man's sight is restored in stages as he is touched by Jesus. Now, Saint Mark records this remarkable miracle in these short phrases. Like he looked intently, he was restored, and he saw everything clearly. These are some small, short phrases Saint Mark uses. And then we see Jesus sends this man with a warning to avoid the company of those people who are caught up with spiritual blindness. And so, what is worse than physical blindness? It is the blindness of the heart and of the soul. And that is what Jesus is asking us today. He is asking us to reflect on the different blind spots in our life which cloud our relationship with our God and His kingdom.